Hi Cheryl, here's what I'm going to try. I have a computer. It does not have the full install for the remote access. So I'm at the point where you are, where it has the little icon right here for the Chrome remote. Okay, so this is what you're getting. You've got Chrome remote desktop, remote access, remote support. We want remote support. And you're probably looking at download this. I know you've done this 100 times, I know, but I just want to make sure that you see the exact same thing that I'm seeing for the install. Okay, you should get this little screen right here that says install. Okay, it says install. Okay, and it brought up this screen right here. So I'm just going to move this, and I can, if I click in the bar at the top, I can drag this and move it out of the way. Okay, so that way I can go back to my browser. Okay, and I say accept and install, open download, yes. You should get this install screen right here. Okay, and then this package is what we want to install. So right here, I'm going to double click this. I think this is the part that we're missing. We'll click continue, install. You'll have to put in your password for your computer, install software. Okay, so it's going to do all of its thing. It says to let someone else know, blah, blah, blah. You click, got it. And now we should have this generate code. Okay, it's this code right here. As soon as it comes up, it's this code that you'll want to share with me. Okay, so give me a call as soon as you run through that and see. But again, I think the problem is it was downloading the software right here, but it was not actually installing it on your computer. Okay, so what you can do to verify that you have it is just follow those steps and then shoot me a call so that way I know that we can get started. Okay.